Sorry?
I'll put these on hold.
Okay.
You want me to?
Oh, that's fine. Hey guys, so finally home. Gonna open it up. This thing is pretty big, 9 kilograms as well. So let's see. Oh wow, it's pretty interesting. So that's the front of it. That's a huge miner for home use. Interesting. Oh, you see, you got, this is an entire fan right here. It actually the blades are this long and they rotate inside to cool the hashing boards, which are here. So this is a very, very long fan. So you see, fan is here, the hashing boards are here, and these are all the ASICs. So we'll plug it in a bit, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I'm down here. Man, this thing is very long. That's over, that's an arm's length miner. So yeah, it's very deep, and since it only needs a 845, I believe, watts, I think I'm using the EVGA 1300 at home. I'm just gonna run this, like test it here, and yeah, and we'll see how that will go. And yeah, I'm gonna put this connect it, and then I'll get back to you. So I just plugged in these 6 connectors and the 7th up here. It's pretty quiet. It took about 60 seconds to start up. It says power fail. There's a fault. I'm not sure as to why. It didn't start hashing. I'll have to look it up and see what's going on. And yeah, that's it so far. So I'm gonna go upstairs to my my desktop, and figure out what's going on. Hi everybody. So I'm here at my desktop, and I am going to the miner, and we're gonna log in. This is Antminer R4, and here we go. Miner status. We're gonna have to do that. Yeah, I apologize about this. I'm just pulling the The Stratum server. I'm trying to find that. Come on. Help center. No. Finally got it. And so basically here, once we have that, it's gonna, well, it should be done and ready. And I just gotta refresh it here. It's restarting downstairs. So for those that are new to this, you just have to find out the IP address. I use advanced IP scanner. It scans my local network, and you can see here Antminer 10.0.1.19. That's the IP address of the Antminer provided by my router. So I access that through the web browser. The username and password is root, ROOT, all small letters. Once you access here, all you have to go to is miner status, make sure it's hashing and it's running fine, and then you go to miner configuration, general settings, put in your URL for your pool, username, and so on, and that's it, and click save and make sure it runs. One thing I noticed here under system, if you have any errors it will mention it here, but there is none. So yeah, so far this is the temperature of the PCB of each chip. This is interesting. I'm gonna run it for a while overnight and see how it's going. There's only one fan and it's running at 1,800 RPM. It's pretty slow. So yeah, it's starting to pick up. I guess because the PCB is getting hot. But yeah. I think that's really about it. Let me check advanced setting. It's just the same. There's nothing really different about this from other miners. But yeah, this is really it. Um, Seems fine. Rejected, discarded. 58 already. 65. Um, I don't see anything that I would be worried about right now. But you see, I'm gonna pull over here my pool. Sorry about that. I'm just pulling it in over. Um, I've been selling old miners, so I have a few that are going offline and auto. This one over here is R4. Eventually it will kick in and it'll be under worker name R4, but it's starting to pick up. Yeah. And that's what I'm looking for, is that miner to actually show on the pool that it's running fine. Um, yeah, right here uptime, bitmain BM miner version. Yeah, there's kernel log. Let me see if there's any errors. No, should be. I'm wondering if that fault had an issue. It would register somewhere here, but it's so far. I guess it rebooted and everything went fine. So yeah, I don't see anything wrong. All right, that's fine. But the temperature of each PCB is a bit high, 50. That's all right. Let's go here to workers again, and it should kick in. Slush Pool has really grown a lot over the past few days. Yeah. Anyway, it takes about 2 hours for a new miner on Slush Pool to reach maximum.
So yeah, it's that's really about it. I'll do another video later on to show how things are going and just update you guys. So that's all. You have a good night, guys.